Hi everyone, I am back and I am doing some new episodes again, as you know. And if you are just tuning in for the first time, thank you. I hope you find this channel really inspiring and motivational. I have been doing this for over 30 years. The main purpose that I do these videos is really to inspire you and give you some ideas of how my mind processes things and what creative ideas that I have. And really, it's really for inspirational and not so much so educational, but inspirational, educational. Today, I'm going to be working with strawberries. Strawberries is my theme. And, you know, when I think of strawberries, I feel, you know, I think of like being in the field, picking out the strawberries from like, you know, the bushes. Well, they're not really bushes. They kind of are grown in like flat lands. Anyways, we found some great fresh strawberries from the market, but we do have some artificially faux fun plastic ones that look so real. I even like the colors better than the real one, to be honest with you. You know, the checkered red and white gingham. Yeah, did I say it correctly? Anyways, you know what I'm saying. And I've taken some red carnations, chamomile, geranium leaves, and then jasmine vine from my garden. The jasmine vine is from my garden. And a couple of like natural, you know, woodsy grapevine wreath here. And then I found this strawberry fun basket, but I'm not using the handles. I've taken a ceramic vase and filled it with water. And I'm going to show you how to make 3 different kind of arrangements, but then how you could use it like all separately or kind of sort of in the same kind of, you know, fun, inspirational tablescape or buffet or any type of design. And this can be used for so many different things, right? So I'm going to start, since the wreath is out in my face, in front of me, I should say. And remember, if you're doing this, some of the things that I show you, I don't show you, like, you know, having the water tube. Sometimes I do show it to you. But if you're using fresh materials, obviously it has to have some type of water source. So for this video, I am not going to use it, but you should for the wreath. I'm taking my jasmine vine. I'm using this wreath as a tablescape, but you can use it definitely for a wreath during, you know, the summer season. But it is, I think, it is National Strawberry Day coming up pretty soon, that this video will be released. But it's not really intentionally for that day. It's just really for you to be inspired by strawberries and like the color and the feel of the, you know, strawberries itself. So I think I'm done, and I'm going to take my faux strawberries, really simply, and I have a hot glue gun on. I'm going to dabble some hot glue, and I'm going to hold it in place. Now you can easily like embellish this with some ribbons if you like. Lace, for some odd reason, lace looks dainty and works really well with the strawberry and, you know, the gingham. Now, isn't this fun? I think this is really cool. I'm gonna add a little bit of greenery here, a little more just to this jasmine vine, just to kind of break the browns a little bit. The spider webs we're gonna clean out. So now I'm going to take my strawberry. I'm not gonna move this, I'm just gonna leave this. I'm gonna take my strawberry container basket that I found, and I'm gonna place it here. And then for this, I wanted it to be inexpensive, so I thought of carnations once again. It's like, it seems like it's my to-go flower these days. I'm fluffing them out because they're tight on their heads, and all I'm doing is just pushing it out, but gently, you know, not like a beast. And obviously this is gonna take a little bit of practice, but you're gonna get it. And what I'm doing that, the reason I'm doing that is I wanna get the maximum bloom exposure, you know, the size. Now, the strawberry doesn't show in here, but you can always prop it up if you want to. I think it's a good height. I think it also adds interest for you to go inside and take a view of the arrangement, what it's in. And when you're sitting down on the table, I think you see enough of the strawberry, so you'll be fine. We've got the whole team. The whole team is excited about me doing these new YouTube videos. I'm excited as well. It takes a lot of my energy and it takes a lot of time to come up with conceptual designs and also themes and then shopping. And so it's quite a process. We've been working on shooting, you know, we've been working on the new episodes for a couple of weeks now. The ideas first and then how I'm gonna implement and then what we're gonna get to maintain all of that. So it's been quite interesting. So now, usually you can use scissors or clippers, I should say, because you're not going to do a knife. But I can use my hands. I think I need to cut it a little bit shorter. And for that, I'm going to just use the clippers. So voila. You are done with this cool strawberry container that's filled with just red carnations. It serves its purpose. You've got about 25 carnations in here. Obviously, the larger the container is, the more flowers you're gonna need. But I think it's really cool. This is really nice. It came out really sweet. Now I'm gonna clean this up. Again, remember guys, I thank you for coming and watching this channel. And if you haven't subscribed, you know, I'm not gonna force you, but if you do, that's great. You know, you can find me on Instagram, YouTube, you can find everything on below links. And you know, just give me your comments, give me your feedbacks, you know. Tell me what you want to see more of, and I'll be more than happy to do it. So the third arrangement we're going to do is I've taken these milk bottle looking in these whitewashed containers, and I'm going to set one up here, and then I'm going to set one up here, and I'm going to quickly do chamomile. And you know, I've used chamomile in the past episodes. You know, here. Look, so and geraniums, you know, there are different varieties of geraniums, but I love the velvety and the crisp, fresh, like spicy smell to it. And there's also chocolate geraniums, which are really nice. And then I'm gonna take my chamomile. I'm gonna probably take about 2-3 stems in each. Cut it up really quickly. I'm gonna tuck it in like that. As you can notice, I'm not saying that word that I used to say that people like made a comment about. I do know how to say tutorials. So, you know, when you're doing these videos and you get really super exhausted, sometimes the words don't come out the way you want them to, so I do apologize. I'm not the most perfect person, but I try to be really well spoken and, you know, inspire you on these videos, guys. Look at this. And that smell of chamomile. Like, I just want to take some watermelons out now, take the strawberries out right now, and just have a really great summery, like picnic. I'm gonna do the same for the other side. 1, 2, 3. I'm a horrible singer. I think in my head I know how to sing, but people around me, they're like, you know, you're way talented. God gave you another talent. It's definitely not singing, so don't even try it. you know, you can, we used, we brought in the colander, like this really cute colander we found. We actually used this for a client's shower, bridal shower. But like you can even take fresh strawberries, like this, like this, and put them in little colanders, and it could have been in a mint green. And you can even use it like, you know, kind of spread it out as a tablescape. I didn't use any ribbon, but I definitely could use ribbon around here, or even kind of sort of lay it like, simply like this, going into the wreath, but just kind of relaxed and not so forced, so it doesn't look like we did anything really too much to it. Cut this up and clean out the table and show you what a fun tablescape inspired using strawberries and just the colors that go really well together. So guys, I am finished. I'm so glad. I'm just like super jazzed. Like, how cute does this come out, you know? You can take each of this element and, you know, use it in different ways, but look at this. This can be even on your kitchen counter every day, you know? So again, you can use this wreath as like a tablescape, or you can use it on your door, in front of your door. Again, this cute little strawberry, you know, you can even go back if you're giving it as a gift, and you can take some of the strawberries and kind of tuck them in like this. So that's another little tip for you. So, you know, I'm so happy that I created these 3 different looks for you, but like cohesively they work together in a tablescape. You can use any of these in different environments. You can swap it out with different, you know, fruits and vegetables if you like. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope I keep on inspiring all of you. Make your comments, send me some suggestions. You know, you will see all my social media links, you know, Facebook, Instagram, on the below, on the screen. Thank you again for tuning in, and peace out.